5 meters, another 1.5 meters, 4 kilonewton, 1.5 kilometers panaog sa y-axis. And first, we will get the fx. Second is we will get the fy, and then lastly the ma. Nasuwat namin sa ang moment una kay para mo na siya last. Ang una lang ako ang dapat. So, first we will get the fx positive going to the right. Positive na siya. Kaya kung dili sa left, negative. So in getting the fx, ax plus 11.31 kilonewton, which is we have get it in the FCE 11.31 kilonewton times cos 45 equals 0, and we will calculate this. We will get negative 8 kilonewton or 8 positive kilonewton because opposite mong magkuha, so padulong sa dito muna 8 kilonewton. And then next we will get the positive fy. Positive siya kay ang positive kasaka sa y-axis is positive. Ay plus 11.31 ay plus times 11.31 kilonewton, which is murag ang FCB. Na-sign 45 siya because lahi naman ang iyang pag imong y-axis o x-axis. So muna na-sign 45 siya. Minus 4 kilonewton equals 0, which is yung result sa negative 4 kilonewton or positive 4 kilonewton because opposite na sa panaog, positive. And then we will last get the MA, which is naatay FCD sin 45 times 1.5 ini. CD niya 1.5 times 4 panaog. Munang negative. Kaya natay 3 meters, kaya itong i-plus ang 1.5 plus 1.5 equals 0. And it will result 11.31 kilonewton.
So, determine the horizontal and vertical components of reaction of the feed A and the reaction of wrapper B on the bed. So, as you can see the feed body diagram here, you have 4 kilonewton and we have x and y axis or horizontal and vertical, which is b cos 60 and then b fb sin 60. So let's proceed here. So fay minus 4 plus fb sin 60 is equal to 0. 1 minus 4 plus fb sin 60 is equal to 0. Then fb sin 60 is equal to negative 1 plus 4. So just fb is equal to negative 1 plus 4 divided by sin 60, just transpose. So fb now is equal to 3.46. Then, so let's put it here. And fax minus fb cos 60 is equal to 0. Then fax plus I equals to fb cos 60. So fax is equal to 346. Since our FB is 3.46, 3.46 plus 60, so we have 1.73. So let's go to the moment. So moment. So summation of fx positive if the right fax minus fb cos 60 is equal to 0. So therefore our fy is equal to 0. Fay minus 4 plus fb sin 60 is equal to 0. Our moment now is negative fay times a plus 4 times 2 is equal to 0. So fay times a is equal to 4 times 2. Break down the 8, so it will be cancelled. So fy is equal to 4 times 2 over 8. So therefore, our answer is 1 kilonewton meter.
So, asa na mo nakuha ang ano sir, 3.46?
So, nakuha na ka 3.46. Ito na yung FB is equal to y plus 4 over sin 60. So now tayo 3.46. Ato rin din itlagay din dito kung may ito gamit na program f because so muna na po.
Hello everyone, we're gonna solve for submission forces and moment of equilibrium. Now, for this problem, determine the component of support reactions at the fixed support A on the cantilever beam. So for this problem, A with the distance of 1.5 times 1.5 and 1.5 with the forces of 4 kilonewtons and this area with 6 kilonewtons. Now, we need to solve this problem. Summation of forces along x-axis is equals to 0, which is 4 cosine 30, which is here. We can put that in this direction, like this, which is, we need to read again, 4 cosine 30 minus ax, which is, with these forces, is equals to 0. So, ax calculated, which is equals to 3.46 billion newtons. Now, we need to solve for summation of forces along y-axis. So, summation of forces along y-axis is equals to 0, which is component ay minus 6, which is this, minus 4 sine 30, which is here, is equals to 0. Calculate this, which is ay is equals to 8 kilonewtons. Now, we need to solve for moment. So, summation of forces along x and y is equals to 0, which is MA here minus 6. We need to find and we need to use this type of formula. Moment is equals to force times distance. So, we need to follow this formula now. We need to solve this type of problem. MA, which is our force, minus 6 kilonewtons here, times distance 1.5 here along x-axis, minus 4 cosine 30, which is here, times 1.5 cosine, which is what's given to us here along the distance, minus 4 sine 30 force times distance 3 plus, if you add all this, it will equal to 3 meters plus 1.5 cosine 30, which is here along the vertical angle, is equals to 0. So we need to calculate this. Now we get